Hello guys, it's me Aryan here again with part 2 of how to make your own action figure. For today's video, you'll need paper tape, jewelry findings, some thin cardboard, scissors, plier, a wire cutter, and super glue. Now in today's video, I'll only be teaching you all how to make the lower torso of the action figure, that is this part. Alright, let's get started. First, I want you to take a strip of tape. It's like that, like what I had done previously. Sticky part on the outside, not sticky part on the inside. And now just roll it just like this. You want it to be in an oval shape. Now this is too small. Yeah. Right, let me just check this. And no, it's still a little small. Yeah, there. Alright. Now just keep this aside. Now take this jewelry finding, and again, like what we had done in the previous video, cover it with tape. Now I want you to pass a toothpick through it like what we had done previously. And again make a hole in that. Now at the same time I've just made three more just like that. So I'm just going to pass it through that. All right there. So you can see it hinges back, front. Now what I want you all to do is take this scissor and cut this and this. Right? Now take the plier, keep this over here. I want you all to jam it just a bit, not too much. Just like that. There. So it becomes a little tighter. Alright. Now what I want you all to do is take the wire cutter and just trim it a bit, just a tiny bit. Yeah. Now take a roll of paper again, strip of paper, tape, roll it again like that, and just wrap it around the two pins, the pins with the two jewelry findings there, not on the middle one, because the middle one goes into the upper torso, right? Slightly bent. Ah, just like that. That's enough. Now this piece, the oval shaped thing, I just wanted to keep this just like on that there. Just keep this aside and it's not going to stand. Anyways, take the super glue. Just some super glue right there. Then just stick this. Add a little more on the outside. There. So when you're playing with the figure, it does not break. Yeah, there. Now add very little super glue inside. Yeah, there. Just stick it over here. Just like that. Alright. Till this dries, I want you to take the thin cardboard piece right there. Yeah. And just wrap it around this oval piece just like that and measure how much I'm going to need. Just watch how I do it. So there, that's how much I'm going to need. So I need to cut this part. It's okay if you lap it, if you lap this over this other piece, it makes no difference. There, there, just like that. Now I want you all to cut it till here, till the joint is exposed. So watch what I mean by that. What I want you all to do is cut this like that. Yeah, that's enough till there. And now I wanted to cut small squares like things, it's like this, like in lines, like what, like this, one, two, three, and so on. Yeah, till there. Now fold them inward like that. Like see, I folded this one inward everywhere. Now put tape on them. Add some tape there, so it doesn't open up again. Yeah, right there. And yeah, there it is. That's it for today's video, guys. If you like today's video, don't forget to share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you get notified. Alright, guys, bye. See you in part 3 of how to make an action figure. Bye.